Hello friends, my name is Naveen Kumar and welcome back to Next Reach. So basically, uh, today I am going to tell all about India. 132 crore people living in India, but out of 50 crore people are not much know about India. So today I am going to tell the all about India. So basically, official name of country is the Republic of India. And in simple term, India is also seen as a short form of for independent nation declared in August. And the name India comes from the river Indus, one of the main river of Indian subcontinent. And India, a country in South Asia, is the world's seventh largest by land area and the second most population nation, known for its culture, historical, and geographical diversity. India is one of the oldest civilizations with a rich and complex history. Now let's talk about geography of India. India is bordered by seven countries. First is we remember our trick बचपन से MBA, so I will tell. बस बांग्लादेश, चा से चीन, चाइना, and प से पाकिस्तान and न से नेपाल. स से श्रीलंका, M से म्यांमार, B से भूटान and A से अफगानिस्तान. And India has various landscape like mountains and Himalaya in the north, desert, Thar desert and river. In India there are many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Okay, and southern part the southern part of India is a peninsula surrounded by the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. Now let's talk about history of India. First of all, we talk about ancient India, home the Indus Valley civilization date approx 26,000 to 90,000 BC, and Vedic age, which laid the foundation of Hinduism, and medieval period ruled by Maurya, Gupta, Mughal, and other, known for achievement in art, architecture, and science. And after that, modern history, colonized by British in the 18th century, gained independence in 15 August 1947. And now let's talk about government. Like in India, which type of government? So in India, democratic republic with a constitution adopted in 1950, and it has three branches: executive, uh, in executive president and prime minister, and legislative parliament and judiciary. इन सिंपल वर्ड वी से डैट एग्जीक्यूटिव मतलब जो कानून बनाता है एंड लेजिस्लेटिव मतलब कानून को लागू जो करता है एंड जुडिशरी मतलब इंडिया में कुछ भी गलती करने पर सज़ा दी जाती है वो जुडिशरी के अंदर आती है. एंड इन इंडिया इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 28 स्टेट एंड 8 यूनियन टेरिटरी. Now let's talk about culture of India. India is known for its culture diversity with numerous language, religious and festival. In India, official language Hindi and English, but there are 22 recognized language and 100 of dialects. And in India, now let's talk about religious in India. So there are many religions in India like that Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikh, Buddhism, and Jainism. Many uh, religions in India. And festivals, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, and Pongal are widely celebrated in India. And now let's talk about economy of India. India has a mixed economy with agricultural. India has mixed economy with agriculture, manufacturing, and service as key sector. And IT and software service play a significant role in global economic present. And the currency of India is rupees. Now let's talk about education system. India has a strong education system with prestigious institutions like IIT and NIT and IMH and AIMS. And in India there are many tourist places जैसे कि like that ताज महल, जयपुर पैलेस एंड लाल किला एंड बिहार का राजगीर, शांति स्तूप. Many places in India are famous for tourists. And the Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi, and the President of India is Draupadi Murmu.